It's really
beautiful.
lovely. Yeah, it's great.
I'm really looking forward to Christmas.
Me too.
I can't wait for all of the presents.
Same. And I hope there's lots of snow, and I hope Santa got his cookies. And, yeah.
And I think we've been pretty good, right? We deserve presents.
Yeah, I think we've been mostly good. I think whenever we do bad stuff, we always apologize.
Yeah, we learn from our mistakes.
Yeah, I still do bad stuff, but
yeah,
I don't
me
mean
too.
to. Yeah.
I'm not always nice to you, and I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not always nice to you either.
It's fun playing with you, though.
Yeah, it's fun playing with you too.
Yep.
Even if I don't always say so.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just very competitive sometimes. And sometimes I'm a little overboard.
Yeah, you like to win. That's okay. I'm not as worried about winning.
Okay.
Yeah. This is nice though. This is fun hanging out.
Yeah, it's always fun hanging out with you, especially for Christmas.
Yeah.
Because we always play well together.
Yeah, I think because Christmas time we're both remembering that we're supposed to be nice.
Yeah, that's true.
Oops. Yeah. We should remember all year, I guess.
Yeah.
Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Happy holidays! Welcome back to Dream Again, a special edition.
Woo! It's so nice to see you guys. Are you guys nice and warm inside? I hope so.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Today's Christmas.
Yeah. Christmas!
That means
Woo,
presents!
presents! How fun!
Yeah.
Wow. Did you get me a present?
I did.
I
think I got you something really cool.
Ooh! Do you want to give me yours first or me give you mine first?
Well, first I wanted to say you constantly wear that green sweater.
Well, yeah, I told you it's my favorite cat sweater. Oh. Why wouldn't I wear it all the time? Look at it, it's lovely.
I have a different Christmas
got
sweater.
A kitty.
See?
Woo! That one's nice. Star Wars.
Star Wars. Yeah.
Did you get me a lightsaber for Christmas? That would be awesome.
Is that what you wanted?
No, I don't think I remember to put that on my list.
Oh, yeah, your long list.
Yeah, your list was long too.
Yeah, but I don't think you're going to get all of that.
No, probably not, but I'll get something.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I know I will because you just said you got me something.
Yeah, I got you something.
Yeah.
I got you something cool. Oh, can I give it to you? I'm
I'm very excited.
Okay, hold on. Just stay there.
Okay.
Hold on.
I'm waiting. I'm so ready. Ooh, guys, I wonder what he got me. Did you guys get each other presents? Ooh!
There you go.
Oh, wow! Look at the package.
Yeah, it's a big one.
This is huge, and look at all the ribbons.
Yep.
Oh, wow, Noah, thank you. Can I open it?
Oh, of course, you need to open it. Here, I'll hold it for you.
Thank you. There's ribbons in the way. Woo. Whoa! Whoa! Noah, this is awesome!
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah, I love it. Look, kids, it's Wonder Woman.
It's Wonder Woman.
Whoa, that's amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Wow. I hope you like my present as much as I like this present. This is so neat, Noah.
Oh, I don't know what I'm getting.
Oh, well, let's give you it. Here, hold on. Let me move this. Wait. Okay, hold on. Let me move this to the side.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
Ooh, I can't wait. Oh, it's a big one. It's a big one.
It's still coming.
Okay, wow.
Okay, it's there.
Wow.
There. Okay, I can't see you. I can't see the kids.
Are you sure?
Hi, kids. Am I sure what?
Are you sure this didn't break?
Oh, don't worry. I am positive. It comes in many pieces.
Okay, watch out. I'm gonna drop it.
Okay. Whew.
Whoa.
Wow.
That's a big present.
Yeah, I hope you like it.
Ooh, I wonder what you got me.
Ooh.
You wrapped this really nice.
You want to start on the sides.
Okay, I'll start on the sides.
Yeah, start on the sides.
Okay. Hold on.
Yeah.
Oh,
And then just tear.
I'm gonna tear. Hold
and
on.
I'll hold it.
Hold on. Oh, yeah.
Woo!
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's Hot Wheels.
Yay!
I can already see.
Yay!
Whoa. Oh, my God, Olivia.
Yeah, do you like that?
Oh, yeah, I love it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Woo!
We're gonna have so much fun with our presents, huh?
Yeah, we are.
Wow.
This is amazing.
Yeah, this is great. I hope you like it. The cars are supposed to go really fast and upside down and stuff.
Oh, thank you, Olivia.
Aw, thank you,
Oh.
Noah. I love my Wonder Woman.
Yeah,
It's
do
so
you like
cool.
that?
Yeah, I do. Here.
Yeah, put it up on top
Yeah.
here. Whoa.
Look, our presents are so big you can't even see us.
I know,
Look,
right?
I'll pop her on the side like this. Hi,
Here, I'll
kids.
put it over here.
Ooh.
Wow.
Wow, this is awesome.
And this is just the beginning. I mean, there's so many
Whoa.
presents.
Yeah. We still have to give Mom and Dad their presents.
Yeah. And then who
yeah.
knows what Santa Claus brought us, too.
Ooh, yeah, I have no idea. I see there's a present up front underneath the tree that's red and green that I don't remember seeing before.
I know.
Yeah, I wonder if it's from Santa.
Maybe.
Maybe, huh?
Who knows?
Yeah.
I can't wait.
Should we go get Mom and Dad?
Yeah, let's get Mom and Dad.
Yeah, let's go get Mom and Dad. Oh. We should say goodbye to the kids.
Yeah.
Okay, kids. Happy holidays.
Yeah, we wish you a happy holidays.
Yeah, we
Lots
wish
of
you happy
presents,
holidays.
lots of fun. Be peaceful.
Yeah.
Be safe.
Yeah, and enjoy your family.
Yeah.
And just have a good time and be nice.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Have a good time, be nice, and take good care of yourself, okay?
Yeah, take good care of yourself, and I hope all your friends enjoy the presents that you got them.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Bye, guys.
kids. Bye.
Mom.
Oh, come on. Let's play with this.
But don't we want to get Mom and Dad to open the rest of our
They
presents?
can wait. I want to play.
Okay, let's play.
Let's play.
Okay, let's play. All right. So first, gotta get this all off.
This is so cool. I hope you like your present.
I love it. This is amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love my present too.
Yeah. Are you gonna be able to build the truck? I think maybe I'll help you. Yeah.
I want to build it.
You don't want to build it?
No, I want to build it.
Oh yeah. Okay. Good. And I said I don't want to build it. I was
No,
like,
I
what?
want to build it.
Good. And I want to shoot. Look, did you see in mine? It's got harpoons, little arrows it shoots out.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
pretty cool, huh?
Wow, it's very, very cool. And it's Wonder Woman, and she's so tough. Whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got so many parts.
Yeah, I just figured Wonder Woman is your new hero, you know?
Yeah, she's wonderful. She's a Wonder Woman.
Exactly.
And look.
Whoa. That's going to be cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's going to be awesome.
I
Okay.
can't wait to
Right.
put up mine. Oh, it's so nice.
Whoa.
Look at how big it is.
Wow, it's enormous.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's going to be bigger than you.
I think it will
That's
be.
crazy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Cool.
These are so neat.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, maybe now that we've made a mess, maybe now we should get Mom and Dad.
Okay, let's go get Mom and Dad, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Okay.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
I can't believe Christmas is over now.
I know, right? Whoa, it came and went so fast.
I know. Now I have to wait another 364 days.
Yeah, but you get all your toys from this year. Mm-hmm.
That's true. And there are a lot of other exciting things that are going to happen, right?
Oh yeah, there's
Like New Year's,
yeah, New Year's,
Valentine's Day.
yeah, Valentine's Day, and then summer
birthday.
barbecues. Oh, birthdays. Yeah. Oh, there's so much.
Yep.
I like summer fireworks too.
Yeah. Me too.
Maybe
we
every
can go to
season is fun
Disneyland too.
Oh,
Yeah.
Disney.
Oh,
Oh,
that's it.
that's it.
I guess
Yep.
I
Christmas is over.
Christmas is over.
Yep.
Well, kids,
Thank you guys.
thanks thanks for watching Dream Again.
Yeah, we hope you had a happy holiday and Merry Christmas or any of those things.
Yeah, we hope you had a great time.
Yeah, we did.
And had lots of fun. And
got to
lot
see
of
your
rest time.
friends and family and
Exactly.
that's nice.
And had a lot of snow.
Yeah, lots and lots of snow.
And for those who don't have snow, a lot of good weather.
Yeah, something nice. Yeah, maybe you went to the beach.
And
That'd be
good
fun.
food.
Ooh, yummy food. Yeah,
And a
yeah,
lot of fun.
Definitely. So much fun.
And hopefully you watch Dream Again too.
They're watching Dream Again right now.
Oh, right. Yeah, silly me.
Aw,
Okay.
it's so nice you guys are here.
Yeah.
Thank
That's the
you.
greatest thing that happened this year.
Oh yeah, that's a lovely Christmas gift.
Yep. Definitely. Dream
Yeah.
Again has been the greatest thing that happened to us.
Oh yeah, that's
Right.
wonderful.
So, I guess
I guess it's time to say goodbye.
I guess it's time to say goodbye.
Okay, well,
Yep.
we'll see you guys again soon.
Yeah, we'll see you soon.
Have
Take
fun.
care.
Take
Be
care.
safe.
Yeah. Be safe and enjoy the snow or the warm weather.
Yeah.
Any of it.
And always dream again.
Dream again.
Dream again.
Dream again. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!